Okay, after recording this video several times, hopefully this one works. So this is what we're having, breakfast. Okay, that's first thing on our agenda today, okay? So I woke up early because I had to go to work. So we're gonna have a half of avocado. Use any kind of milk you want. Doesn't matter. It's gonna turn out great. Get some that has like high protein. But anyway, put you a little bit of cinnamon in there. These are the super greens that I picked up for $4.99. So this is what I chose to do with the super greens that I got off the clearance rack at Sprouts. Okay, I did a video, check it out. All right, so this is peanut butter. Use 2 tablespoons full. You'll get 8 grams of protein. Okay, and then remember just a half of avocado. All right, not brown. But your banana, you want brown. Throw it in the freezer. Keep some handy, okay? The browner, the sweeter, okay? And then we have our cacao powder. I did 2 teaspoons of that because I like the taste of it in there. It tastes great, right? You have to mix it up or shake it up before you mix it up, okay? Now, I am a person that loves green drinks. So if you're not, maybe this is not for you. It does taste, a little green or a little like spirulina. Anyway, it has your daily vegetables in here. I'll tell you that, okay? Check out the super greens. You can look it up online, okay? It's so yummy, okay? So it's done. We had to, look at the lid. It's just right, not too thick and not too thin. Yes, I had to lick my hands. It was so good, okay? So I poured a cup for my daughter because that's who I made it for because I already had one. But I had some of hers when I came back home from work, which was about 12-ish. Baby, it was so good, baby. Oh, my goodness. You know it's good when you do the happy dance, right? So I encourage you all to make this or try it or just use what you have at home. Substitute anything you want. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Y'all, so I'm in Nordstrom. I did some damage, but we're gonna talk about it when I get home. Well, you know what? Not really damage. Let me not say that. It's some stuff that I needed. Baby, I got this right here. Can't nobody tell me nothing. I said, I know you lying. Boy, this smell. I'll be back when we get home. So my morning started out with physical therapy and then work. After that, me and my daughter headed over to Roseville Mall, which is here in Sacramento, California. Got us some Seas candy. We bought some and we also got some samples. Yeah, so then we headed over to the shoes. Now my daughter had to pick up some things, so that's why we ended up going here. And then I also had another stop with the realtor, okay? Now these Tory Burch shoes, $198. I said, I know you lying. Not for some plastic. Jellies used to be about $10. Okay, so at my job, we all like the Hokas. We have to have white or something very light. And they're very comfortable. So Nordstrom had some cute ones. Very, very, very cute ones. Okay, so then I headed over to the Chanel glasses because y'all, they were so cute. I love Chanel stuff. I really do. But baby, for that price, I said, oh no. The devil is a lie. You are not about to empty out my bank account today and no other day. And then we got our fashionista here. Yes. Okay. So then, of course, we headed over to the perfume counter. I love Chanel Mademoiselle. That's one of my favorite scents, along with Estee Lauder Pleasures. Okay. Now, Nordstrom will give you samples. So I was in there just spraying some things, just trying out different things. Then I ended up leaving and then going back. Okay. And we'll get to that. Yeah, so I was kind of just doing my own thing, okay? And then I said, shoot, I got to run to the restroom, y'all, because I drink so much water. TMI, right? All right? But I had to show y'all my little Goodwill hat. $1.98 clearance, right? Okay, so then here we are with the shoes. Of course, I tried on the Hokas. And I got them out the men's section because my feet are wide. So the wider, the better for me. These were on clearance because I am a clearance girl, of course. And they feel pretty good on my feet. and they were mine. I did see a pair of Nikes. I do not buy Nikes because they're never wide, and I'm not into name brands like that, but they're always very narrow. These were perfect. They fit me so good. The width was perfect. They kind of look like New Balance. Maybe that's why I liked them. My work shoes were done, so I had to get some new ones, right? Okay, so then we headed back over to the perfume section. Well, actually, I did because she had to go nurse the baby. So you all do know at Nordstrom, they will give you samples. Anything you want, they will give it to you. Of course, I was purchasing. She gave me some. The other lady gave me some before. So I did pick up that, oh my goodness, that YSL Intense Baby. Ooh, it smells good. Anyway, I was sold. So we were hungry because we hadn't eaten since morning when I had my protein shake. So we picked up cheese sandwiches, one cheese sandwich, and then a piece of avocado toast, and we shared it, and it was pretty good. I think the avocado toast was like $10, and the cheese sandwich was like 9 maybe. But I think we made some pretty good choices. So I had to sit down a little bit because my stomach was like, you did me wrong, sis, and I need something to eat. And my daughter was hungry as well. She is a nursing mom, so we had to get something in our stomach. So while she was off nursing the baby, I was sitting there just enjoying my food, and then when she came back, she ate some of it. All right, then we headed over here. We're about to try this Dubai viral chocolate. So you only have to give me 2 pennies. Then we headed over to Zara. As we were leaving out, we seen Zara, so we stopped in there. I did like this. I love that knitted sweater with that skirt, but I realized, you know what? It's just money I'm spending, and it's also too hot, okay? So we made it to the car, all right? Putting everything in the car, and then I'll see you guys when I get home. So when I got home, before I got on camera, I said, you know what? Let's make dinner. Let's just get that out the way. So we have salmon from Costco, rice from Trader Joe's. We have tab seasoning. We also have some rice seasoning, which is called like fear kaki or fear cake. Not really sure how you pronounce it. Ooh, that rice was hot. Okay, so then we're just gonna go ahead, y'all. This is just a quick meal. This is called a sushi bowl, you all. So we had our salmon. The smoked salmon at Costco is now $22, which is ridiculous. Okay, so now we have a cucumber. I just cut up just a little piece of it. The cucumber gives it like that nice crunch. It's like I added something to it. Also, you can add avocado. I didn't have any more, so I couldn't add any. But it is a great idea. And, you know, you're getting plenty of nutrients, okay? This rice seasoning is really good. And then the Tab Sunshine seasoning is like mango, pineapple, and something else. It set it off. It truly did. And I picked up her seasoning on clearance as well because you all know I'm a bargain shopper. I love a clearance rack, and that's the first rack I go to, and I always talk about that. Okay, and then we have a little soy sauce, not too much. Amino acids are a good substitute as well. And then this is what our sushi bowl looks like. So yeah, it's a quick something to make. It's a cheat meal, you know? Okay, guys, so y'all can see I am home. I'm home from the mall. It went out to go get a pre-approval for a home. We gonna see how that's gonna go, because these mortgages of these homes in California, baby, is a lot. And it is just ridiculous. So we gonna see. Credit score says that my credit is good enough to get approved for all the help that's out there. We gonna see where that goes. Anyway, so I'm home. We stopped at Nordstrom. Anyway, either I'll insert the clip before or after. I'll do like a video on everything that I got. Yeah, I will. But anyway, I had to get home and get some food. That was just a little snack for me and my daughter. We split each thing in half, that avocado toast and that cheese sandwich. I wanted to get a green juice, but they didn't have kale for the replacement of the spinach. So my phone shut off on y'all because it was too full, so I had to clear up some memory. So let's go ahead and eat. Y'all got some new perfume. The YSL, I've never smelled. It's the YSL Intense. Okay, let's try this again. Let's get this food down. This is good.
We got that Trader Joe's rice. Very, very good. For real, for real. This is good. Matter of fact, I'm about to put some nori in it. We ain't gonna use all of it. We're gonna put some of it. Oh yeah. Break it up. It's small. Oh my goodness. Look at that. My pieces are big though. I need to make them smaller. Let's try it with the nori. Look how big that piece is. That's it right there. So good. Anyway, I'm gonna do another video on everything that I purchased today from the mall. I'm gonna let y'all see everything. Okay, so we are trying the viral Dubai chocolate. You all can see what it looks like. We picked Okay, we picked it up out the mall. We paid $7 for it.
$8.08.
Oh, $8. So let's open it. Oh, it's got some little swirlies on it. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so let's see. Oh, it sure don't look like the picture that it shows at all.
Where it looks very, the picture makes it look very soft and luscious.
It does.
In the inside.
Right, that doesn't, yeah.
This looks more nougaty.
Yeah, that doesn't look nothing like the picture, does it? Let me make sure I'm showing y'all. Nothing like the picture. They make it look all, man. Okay, here. Let's try it.
Cheers.
Cheers. The Baco chocolate. That's what it says. The Baco chocolate. Chocolate. It's like cornflakes with peanut butter and chocolate.
So you know, the videos that people do where they're like, oh my gosh, it's so good, they're faking.
Because it's not, oh my gosh.
I'm not saying it's horrible. It's just not, there's not like a, oh my gosh, quality to it. It tastes like chocolate.
And peanut butter. Because it's supposed to be pistachio.
The pistachio flavor is not very strong.
It's like peanut butter, cornflakes, and chocolate mixed together.
Which is the kanafa. The kanafa is what makes it crunchy. It has like a fun, it has a fun texture to it, like eating it.
Take your peanut butter and your cornflakes. They called it something else, honey. Them is cornflakes inside this chocolate.
The crunch, but the inside is, I just thought it'd be a richer flavor. It's not a rich flavor. It's like maybe their version of getting a, I don't know what we have similar to it.
Before we run out of memory.
Oh, like it's just like a store candy bar. It tastes like a store candy bar. It doesn't taste exotic. It's expensive because it's imported, and that's it.
Yeah, so $8.08. Save your money. If you know somebody else that bought one, go over there and try it. Because they got the $20.
Or try it for fun, but don't, just try it for fun.
Yeah.
But it's not.
You might think different of it.
It's nothing crazy. It's nothing to write home about.
No.
All right, bye guys.